अपना गोल्ड मनपुरम लॉकर में रख। सब लोग ऐसा स्मार्ट बनो, कहीं किधर भी स्मार्ट बन जाए।
मनपुरम ऑनलाइन गोल्ड लोन स्मार्ट है।
Contestant number 2020.
So who's your favorite god?
I would rather see my inspiration as God. I would rather see some people who inspire me to do better every day as God, because those are the people I would
But
want.
that's not my question. I want you to offer 1,000,000 prayers to your God and step forward for the question. Come. Pray to the Lord Almighty and come. I have a very difficult question for you. Please come forward.
Okay.
Yes, to the spotlight. So this is not a question. This is again a conversation.
Yes, ma'am.
Forget all your, mugged up answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Leave everything, throw it out of the door. How are you today?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm all good, thank you. So are you nervous?
Not that much.
And please be very honest, because I've been there, I know what you're going through. So if you're not honest, I'm going to catch you.
I think I'm pretty confident.
You're pretty confident, but are you nervous now? Are your nerves overtaking you?
Not honestly, no.
No?
No.
You're relaxed now.
Yeah.
Ready for that very difficult question?
Yes.
Think very well before you answer, because I don't want two answers like how Falguni gave me. Okay, you can take your time. The time is yours. The world is yours.
Yes.
Okay, this is your opportunity, right? So the question goes like this. It's never there in the internet, because I made it up, okay? Now, I divide the question into two parts. One is on the Indian people. Two is on Indian women, okay? First question. They're both together. So you can give me one answer, that's enough. Do you think people in India are more fortunate than their foreign counterparts? If yes, why? If no, why not? My second question. Do you think Indian women are more fortunate and privileged than their foreign counterparts? If yes, why? If no, why not? Please think before you answer, because once you give your answer, I'm not going to say bye and let you go. I'm going to ask more, right? So it all depends upon how you answer. You need to convince me.
I think Indian people are more fortunate from their foreign counterparts, because I always observe that Indians are more connected to their parents. Indians always have the support and love of their parents, and that holds true for so many contestants here. And that is something I am proud of, and proud to be a part of. And that is why I think Indians are more fortunate than their foreign counterparts. As far as Indian women go, it has been a very tough journey for women throughout the era of history. But I can see change happening. And change is something which is hope for India.
No, I don't want any change. I just want clear answers as to whether we're fortunate or not fortunate.
We are fortunate because of the change. I believe.
No, if there is a change, then obviously there's some negativity that needs to be changed, right? I don't want to go into change. I want like positive, no change required, we are fortunate. I know, what's your name? Varsha, it's very difficult for you right now, but trust me, when you undergo this difficulty and you prove yourself, you're going to get the crown of the world, seriously. Miss South India 2018 is not an easy crown, and I don't want any generic answers to take away that crown, right? You have an opportunity that none of the other people have, screwing up with all the questions that I'm posing you. So prove yourself. Are Indian women fortunate than their foreign counterparts? If so, why? If not, why not? You can be as honest. I mean, I'm an Indian woman. I won't kill you even if you say I'm not fortunate. I'll try to be fortunate.
But I honestly believe that Indian women are fortunate because of the change that is happening. I believe that the world around us in India is trying.
The change has already happened elsewhere, right?
No, I think it's in progress. I think it was not fortunate for women. I think it is going to be fortunate in the process of making it fortunate enough for women. I think the world is becoming strong enough to embrace the strength of women.
Where, in India or elsewhere?
In India.
The world is helping us change, you mean?
India is embracing the strength of women. It's strong enough to embrace the strength of women.
Strength of Indian women?
Yes.
The foreign countries are embracing the strength of Indian women?
India
India?
is embracing the strength of women.
Right, okay.
So
So
that
have the foreign countries already embraced the strength? No, I'm just trying to differentiate. Indian women, 50 marks. Foreign women, 100 marks. Indian women, 100 marks. Foreign women, 50 marks. Somewhere somebody has to be a clear winner. Who's the winner? Who is the most fortunate?
Okay, honestly, our Western counterparts have been fortunate. I won't deny that. But since India is
No,
developed,
you don't have to sugarcoat. Our Western counterparts are fortunate. I do agree with you, and I do agree that Indian people have all the support that they require from the family, and they're fortunate. This is exactly the right answer. I mean, I'm not looking at sugar-coated words, you know? Absolutely right. If you say Indian women are less fortunate than our foreign counterparts, it is true, it is a fact. Okay, you don't have to feel ashamed to say that. Let's work towards change. Thank you so much, Varsha. All the very best.
thank you.
Build your brand globally. Make your venture a success. Unique Times, Premium Business Lifestyle Magazine.